Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Mohammed Qadir. I work for an Islamic bank. My question is, Laylatul Qadr night is not known except it is one of the last 10 days of Ramadan. Then why so much of importance is given to 27th night?
So there was a question that Laylatul Qadr comes in one of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Why 27th Ramadan is given the most important? Why? Well, Laylatul Qadr, as the Quran says, the Laylatul Qadr is the night of power. It's equal to 1,000 months. It's somewhere close to 83 years. It's very important. And the Prophet said, the various hadith, the Prophet said that this night would come on one of the 10 days of the last 10 days of Ramadan. There's another hadith which says that so the best, if you want to surely get the night, you have to pray for all the 10 nights. And if you do ibadah on this night, is equal to doing ibadah for about 83 years, 1,000 months. But again, hadith says that there are more chances that this Laylatul Qadr will come in the odd nights. 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, 29th. More chances. So if you feel that you don't have the capacity to pray for all the 10 days, at least pray for 5 nights. If you don't have capacity to pray for all the 10 nights, at least pray for 5 nights. 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, 29th. And the Prophet said that more chances is it's on the 27th. So if you think that you cannot pray for 10 nights and if you want to pray for 1 night, the highest chance is 27, but it's not 100% sure. And there is a hikmah in this. So that's the reason you find that more people pray on the 27th, maximum. Then second maximum you'll find people on the odd nights, 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th. And those who are pious, they pray for all the 10 nights. That's the reason you find in the last Akhri Ashra, in the Haram, there is more rush. What was the hikmah in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not specifying the night? If Allah would have specified the night as one particular night, then the full Muslim Ummah would have prayed only for that one night. So, those who are not so much keen in getting the maximum sawab, for them it is a shortcut. Okay, go 27. But it's not 100% sure that you'll get the night. Those who are a little bit more pious and who have the capacity to worship for 5 nights, then they look on the odd nights, 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, 29th. And those who surely are pious and want to see to it that they don't miss the night of Laylatul Qadr, they pray for all the 10 nights. So this is a hikmah, so that people pray more to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and different people's taqwa can be checked by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you.